real quick little bird update here. The mom, I've noticed, doesn't come in as often as she had been. I guess she just comes in every now and then and checks on them. She doesn't stay with them all the time, though. But you can see in there are 4 distinct heads. Hey, birdies. Well, I guess they're lazy. But there are 4 little heads in there that you can see. And they're getting bigger. You can see that one's just about out of its nose is just about out of the nest, or beak, whatever you call it. They're getting bigger. They've been growing. Okay, yeah, it's a pretty good shot of them there. I've got names for about 3 of them there. Okay, yeah, just a little quick update on the birds. I've came up with names for 3 of them. Well, I guess all 4 of them. You know, we'll just have to come up with another name. But we're gonna name them. I'm gonna call them Winking, Blinking, and Nod. And I guess the last one I'll call Pete. I don't know. Let me know if you know where the reference came from. Winking, Blinking, and Nod. It's from a TV show. My favorite TV show, actually. Or one of my favorites. One of the best ever made, I think. But just let me know if you know where I got the names from. Just a little thing there. But anyway.